Hello everyone, welcome back to our Everyday English series. Today's lesson is all about meeting new friends in English. You'll learn useful phrases to greet someone, start a conversation, ask about hobbies, and say goodbye politely. Let's practice step by step with our characters. Dialogue 1. Greeting.
Hi, my name is Anna. What's your name?
Hello Anna, I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, John.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
I'm from England. Key expressions. Hi, my name is... What's your name? Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Dialogue 2. Asking about work.
So, what do you do, John?
I'm a teacher. And you?
I work in an office. I'm a secretary.
That's interesting. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. It's busy but fun.
Key expressions. What do you do? I'm a... Do you like your job? That's interesting. Dialogue 3. Talking about hobbies. What do you usually do in your free time?
I like reading books and watching movies. What about you?
I love playing football and listening to music.
Oh, I like music too. What kind of music do you listen to?
Mostly pop music. And you?
I enjoy jazz.
Key expressions. What do you usually do in your free time? I like. I love. What kind of? Do you like? Me too. Dialogue 4. Inviting and exchanging contact. Hey, would you like to have coffee together sometime?
Sure, that sounds great. Of course.
Can I have your phone number?
Of course. My number is 555-1234. What's yours?
It's 555-5678. I'll message you later. Key expressions. Would you like to? That sounds great. Can I have your phone number? I'll message you later. Dialogue 5. Saying goodbye.
It was nice talking to you, John.
Nice talking to you too, Anna. Let's meet again soon.
Yes, see you soon. Bye.
Bye, take care. Key expressions. It was nice talking to you. See you soon. Take care. Great job, everyone. Today you learned how to introduce yourself, ask about work and hobbies, invite someone and exchange contacts, and say goodbye politely. Practice these expressions with a friend or even by yourself in front of a mirror. The more you practice, the more natural your English will sound. Subscribe the channel for more. See you soon!